Hello everyone, my name is Zachkariagh, and today I will be your host, chef, and friend as we make Chicken Marsala. This recipe was made by Jacelyn Bell at Cooking Classy. I would recommend you follow along because this recipe is totally worth the effort making. Now fair warning, the final clip of cooking got corrupted, but shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? Anyway, we're going to start with 1.5 cups of Marsala wine and 1.25 cups of chicken broth. Bring that to a boil and simmer until it has reduced by at least a cup. In the meantime, prepare your mushrooms and garlic. My partner here is helping me chop mushrooms. Mince your garlic. Now get your big cutting board to impress the audience. And begin by seasoning your chicken, salt and pepper on both sides. This recipe says to use breast, but breasts in this area are iffy. Coat the chicken in flour on all sides. And voila, a messy cutting board. Wash your hands, always. In a high-wall saute pan, melt a tablespoon of butter and olive oil. Make sure it's hot before dropping in your chicken. Sear on all sides and make sure the chicken is cooked throughout. I'm gonna cut into this right here to make sure it's cooked. Oh yeah, that's good. Remove it from the pan and you're left with a beautiful fond. Melt some more butter in olive oil. And begin sauteing your mushrooms. Toss it in the pan and cook down until it looks like this. Add your garlic and saute for another minute before removing it from the heat. Oh, turn the heat off, Zach. You don't want to burn down the house. Add your Marsala mixture, half a teaspoon of dried oregano and dried thyme. Pull up the fond at the bottom if it hasn't already and mix to combine. Bring that bad boy back to the heat and bring it to a light simmer before introducing about a tablespoon of chicken broth with 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. I didn't actually measure it when making this. Mix it in. And voila, dinner. Just kidding, the last clip got corrupt. We would have taken it off the heat, added half a cup of heavy cream, seasoned with salt and pepper, add your chicken back, and garnish with fresh parsley. We know how mad you are, Zach. Don't make a scene. Serve with some egg noodles, and you're done. Honestly, this meal tastes like a $20 meal you'd get at a restaurant. And everybody in my family enjoyed it. I think you will too. So I would recommend making this at home. Or don't. I don't care. I'm not in control of you. Oh, I don't think you want that.